Here's the onion. Working on the onion again today. What started out as a respray is kind of turned into a full-blown full-blown reconstruction restore job just about. We're getting there. Got a few, some holes to fill up and things like that. There's a whole shitload of holes in the engine bay you want to weld up, because I want to do like a bit of a wire tuck and bring all the wires and everything in from the insides of the fenders. There's a lot of work to do. Poor old Cortina, 65 GT. It's definitely seen better days. It's had a few prangs in its life and a lot of repairs. Old bonnet there, using that as a table at the moment. Doors are nearly done. Bit of work to do on them and they can be primed, and basically trying to get this thing good enough in a few spots to try and get a bit of epoxy primer onto some of this bare metal and shit during the weekend. Yeah. Got a fair bit of rebuilding to do down here, but otherwise it's pretty good rust wise though, this old girl. Yeah.